Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to give the full review of ProfileMate. So let's start the video without any delay. But before that, let me remind you guys, I'm going to give you the bonus and the buying link in the description. So check description for both these. So let's start the video without any delay. How to get hundreds to even thousands of emails, phone numbers, and details daily ethically for free of any Insta page followers. Enter any Insta page, click scan to have ProfileMate scan through all the page followers, download and mass contact your new list of hundreds to even thousands of daily new emails of your target market who want to be contacted by you. Why Instagram and why ProfileMate guarantees day one results? There are over 500 million daily users on Instagram and growing fast. Users trust brand on Instagram more than any other social network. Instagram users spend on average 1 hour a day. 65% of users have visited brands' websites from Insta and 46% make a purchase. 80% of Insta users not only find out about new products here but also decide if they will buy. Advertisers' ad spend is 23% higher on Instagram than on FB due to conversions. Not only that, but Instagram, unlike any other platform, allows you to see and engage with any profile followers, ability to manually search these users and manually message them, give information from emails, addresses, and their personal details, direct messages, any account competitors' followers, celebrity or user without being a friend, have open rates of messages at 88% and 22% back through click-through rates. Engage, convert, and scale your business without coming across as salesy. Users trust brands more on Instagram than on any social network. So it makes sense why Instagram is the perfect place to market on Instagram, as users has proven to be convert. However, I found that many users, specifically for beginners, face some key problems. How do I even use Instagram and get traffic that converts into sales? How am I supposed to go through and reach out 100, even millions of users, and more importantly, monetize them? How do I find users that actually want to be contacted about what it is have to sell? How do I find and only contact the most engaged users of any page, not contact the least engaged? I don't want to spend hours on Instagram, have to post photos all the time and hope they convert to sale. I don't have much money for ads, traffic, or even a product, service, or offer to sell what I'm supposed to do. These were some of the concerns. Introducing ProfileMate, world's #1 Instagram fan growth, email building, and competitor domination software ever created. Profile is the world's fastest lead generation and sales tool ever created. Scan any profile, search 2000 profiles a day, netting an average of 50 to 150 target email every 24 hours. Mass contact and convert these leads instantly for free. Here is how ProfileMate is going to have you making bank as early as today. Mass contact users with ProfileMate public email and phone number domination module. ProfileMate will search any profile fan base for you and gather 50 to 150 emails a day on average of users who want to be contacted for free, allowing you to contact them instantly and convert. Generate buyer traffic in minutes. ProfileMate analyzes thousands of profiles per hour and instantly give you live reports of your selected audience, and then giving you a list of those who are ready and wanting and excited to be contacted. To do this manually would take years. ProfileMate delivers thousands of contactable users delivered to you every single day. ProfileMate will work when you sleep, searching 2000 profiles a day with the ability to search more and allow you to get access to the most important users' information from emails, websites, phone numbers, engagement scores, influencers, and so on, and most engaged customers. Contact any page's most engaged fans with ProfileMate's engagement domination tool. ProfileMate allows you to gather and scan the most engaged users of any fan page. Like the users who commented and like on a page's posters, allow you to engage specifically with these users for higher conversions instantly. 100% automated, doing the work that it would take hundreds of humans to do. Remove the need to manually go through hundreds, thousands, even millions of profiles that you want to find out who to contact. ProfileMate does this for you, giving you a list of all the key information needed. Competitor breakdown. ProfileMate will show you any competitor follower details like their followers. Enter any page that would have a customer base that is the same as yours, be provided with email, phone numbers, and addresses and websites of those who have given their details to be contacted and reach out with a value message. Never pay for ads again. While paid ads are a great way to gather leads, ProfileMates give you the same details you would normally have to pay for. Scan messages and convert your own fans. Many people focus only on getting new fans and don't realize their own followers are the hottest leads. Not only does ProfileMate allows you to scan any competitor or page that would have your own niche following them, it will scan your own, ensuring you can reach those who have already proven to be interested in your business. Find segment users from potential customers to finding influencers in seconds. ProfileMate allows you to not only scan all followers of any page but also segment out specific users only. Like users who have X amount of fans or above business pages and only disregard private accounts and so on. Only find the users who match your needs. Call to action based sorting. Not only will it segment out types of users, it will also segment out users who are allowing you to contact them by providing you with their email, phone number, and addresses ready to be contacted in bulk. Users, occupation, and interest search. ProfileMate gives you the option to gather biodata, which is what the users want others to know about them. 7 out of 10 times on average, this includes their job or interest, allowing you to market the exact audience you choose to. Training on how to take leads and convert them. ProfileMate is not just a software. It's a community, and in launch week only, you will get our bonus webinars along with the full video training series taking you through how to use ProfileMate. 24/7 support. Being the number one vendor on JVZoo means we also have an incredibly good support desk. In fact, we are in the top 1% of all users in the world using Freshdesk. Full agency rights. In the launch week only? Yeah, that's right. Often people make you pay for this, but in launch week, we are giving you the full unrestricted access and upgrading your license to commercially for free. On the top of this, you will be getting unlimited report downloads, 2000 daily searches, email, phone number, and website collection, influencer search module, one-time investment, premium support, full right agency, business account search module. ProfileMate will help you convert more sales than ever before, no matter what niche. In the e-commerce, drop shipping, physical good businesses, Amazon, you name it, your customers are on Instagram. Find any page your target audience would be a part of. Be given the exact profiles along with emails and phone numbers of your audience and convert. Bank easily with local marketing. ProfileMate is a local marketer dream. Imagine going to any local business and letting them know you can get actual qualified lead of any of their competitors. Affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing rule is the money is in the list. However, most fail at being able to build an initial list. Not anymore. ProfileMate will build your list for free right out the gates. It's that simple. ProfileMate 47 one time. In the launch week only, you are getting full access to all features above unlocked. One-time investment launch offer. Email growth tool included. Phone number search. Influencers versus customer search, full agency rights, video instructional training, 24/7 customer support, VIP bonuses included at just $47. So, launch exclusive bonuses. These will become upsells post launch, but today you get them all for free. Commercial license, engagement report module, Insta image editor, Insta and FB font changer. 40 days money back guarantee. This is why if in the first 14 days you don't like the software for whatever reason or decide you want the money back to go buy that new shirt instead, I will give you all your money back with my 100% money back guarantee. On the top of this, if you use this software for 60 days, work with our support team and myself personally and still don't get any results, I will double your money back. You wouldn't see deal from any marketer ever. This literally makes it a risk for you not to try. So buy now. So guys, this was the review of ProfileMate view page. I hope that you would like this, and I'm sharing the buying link in the description and the bonus in the description as well. So for this, check the description. I hope that you would like my video. Thanks for watching.